Introducing the Onesto Dolly, your new best friend for heavy lifting and moving. Crafted with a durable medium-density fiberboard panel, this heavy-duty trolley can effortlessly support and transport large furniture, appliances, or boxes. Its strong and spacious design reduces lifting effort and saves you time, whether at home, in the office, or warehouse. Equipped with anti-slip EVA foam pads and smooth swivel wheels, it offers maximum safety and maneuverability. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to move heavy panels? Check out the KASTFORCE panel dolly. It can handle up to 600 pounds or 250 kilograms with ease. Its two 8-inch non-flat tires provide smooth, effortless rolling, while adjustable side plates go from 0 to 10 inches or 0 to 255 millimeters to fit various panel sizes. The sturdy clamping plate measures 16 inches by 8.25 inches or 410 by 210 millimeters, making your task simpler. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Flatro Dolly, the ultimate heavy-duty wooden dolly trolley with a smart and innovative jigsaw design. Easily assemble and connect multiple dollies like a puzzle to move heavy loads effortlessly. Crafted from durable plywood with a load capacity of up to 300 kilograms per piece, it's perfect for both home and business use. Equipped with 4 full rotation wheels and non-slip foam pads, it ensures stability and smooth maneuverability. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Ronlap Furniture Dolly, the ultimate solution for effortless furniture moving. Its innovative interlocking design lets you connect multiple dollies for larger items, while a sturdy frame and double ball bearing support loads up to 300 kilograms per set. With smooth 1.25-inch wheels rotating 180 degrees and adjustable extendable handles, this tool ensures safe, balanced, and flexible transport. Perfect for heavy furniture like couches, refrigerators, and pianos on various surfaces. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and sturdy way to move heavy doors and panels? The WUDLEP panel dolly is your perfect solution. Made from high-quality alloy steel, it offers exceptional strength and durability, able to carry up to 1,100 pounds effortlessly. Its adjustable design fits drywall and door materials up to 9.4 inches wide, while the 8-inch pneumatic wheels ensure smooth, quiet transportation on any surface. Make your moving tasks safer and easier today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Stanley sack truck, your ultimate 2-in-1 transport solution. Easily switch between a hand truck that can carry up to 70 kilograms or a platform trolley with a maximum load of 137 kilograms. Fully foldable for compact storage and ready to use right out of the box, this sturdy trolley features durable wheels that glide smoothly over any surface. Whether for work or everyday tasks, the Stanley sack truck makes moving objects simple and stress-free. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment.